In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Monzo account in the UK. So we will begin by downloading the Monzo app. You can get it from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. And once you open it up for the first time, it's going to look like this. We want to select I'm new to Monzo if we're going to begin creating an account from scratch. And the first step will be writing our email address right here in the field. So if we're over 18, just write your email address here, and we want to select join at the bottom. So I'll just do that and come back in a second. Now it will send us verification on the email address that we provided, and we just want to open it up. Okay, so I've just opened up the email on my phone and I've clicked the link here and it has referred me back to the app. Now, where do you live? We will search for UK or United Kingdom. Okay, United Kingdom here, we can see it at the bottom, and I've just selected it and we will confirm. Alright, so once we have done this, we can either choose to let the app track our activity or not, and we're gonna click on next. So which account would you like to have? So we have the option of personal account, joint account, or under 16 account, business account as well. So for this, I'll just choose personal account and go into next. So here we have to choose a name on photo ID. So I'll just choose my account name for this tutorial. And we can also add a preferred name if we just want to appear with one name here. And we'll need to give them our date of birth. So I'll just choose a random day here. Okay, that makes it 30 years old, and we're gonna click on next. So we'll have to write our postal code address here in the second field. So just type out your postal code address like that and click on next. Now here we can choose the address. So I'll just choose this address. Yes, this is correct. Okay. Now, what's your phone number? Here we have to verify with our phone number, so just do that. And once you have verified your phone number, then this is going to create your Monzo account and you can begin using it in the UK. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.